Hey everybody, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2011 Nissan Sentra. Came in, the customer said that the brake light had come on and the brake pedal felt kind of soft. We took it for a drive. We did notice that yes, the brake light was on the dash and the brake pedal was definitely feeling very soft. Once we got it in, we saw that the brake master cylinder reservoir was low and there was definitely some brake fluid dripping off the rear axle. As you can see from the pictures here, one of the brake lines is rusted out, which is kind of a common thing here in Illinois after your vehicle gets a few miles on it and some years. So if you're noticing your vehicle is losing brake fluid, or maybe there's a brake light on, or the pedal doesn't feel quite as good as it used to, we do offer free inspections here at 3D Auto Repair. So please feel free to give us a call and get that set up. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.